In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of items received to green and record the time. So I've previously shown you when you have a list of items that you're expecting, how to scan them and then turn them green. So it was requested that you also have the date entered. So we're going to select this item here and we're going to scan it in here. And so it's turned green and it's giving you the date that this has arrived. So let me show you the code. So the first thing the code's doing is it's looking to make sure there's something in the scan-in box. Then it's searching for the barcode in the first column here. If it's not found, then it sends a message box. Else, it takes the row number of the cell. Then it selects where the cell where the barcode exists and change the background color to green. And then it puts the date and time into the next cell. It offsets and it puts the date and time in there. Then it goes back and clears the scan-in cell. And that's how it works. I will, of course, include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.